Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and I'm standing on board our 2014 Sea Ray 220 Sundeck Outboard. You know, this 220 model is a model that Sea Ray built for well over 10 years, and they always seem to be, when you get to the end of the run, you get some of the best. This boat is it. The details that they thought out in this boat are absolutely phenomenal, and this one is a rare gem because it has basically all of the nicest options you could get in that year. It starts with this Mercury 250 Pro, which is in absolutely exemplary condition considering its age here in the Florida sun. What that earns you is digital controls and power steering, something you do not find in this size. One of those well thought out details, not only the swim steps that I'm standing on, but the seat in the rear, phenomenal for water sports, wakeboarding, skiing, great place to get ready. Of course, as we step inside the boat, there's a bunch of little parts that make this very, very cool. They've got fresh water in the rear of the boat. You've got phenomenal L seating throughout. Got a great Raymarine GPS unit sitting here on the dash. So not only do you have your analog gauges for those who like them, but you have just a great peace of mind keeping track of the depth and all that right there. In addition, this boat has the cockpit table, and of really big note to families, this is the smallest in the lineup that got a toilet. So you have a 22-foot boat that has a fully enclosed head. Of course, you have the bimini, fantastic seating forward. And Sea Ray thought out some wonderful things for you on this, not the least of which is freshwater forward, because you have a beach boarding ladder. What that means is that all your local sandbars that you can nose into, children, yourself, guests can go off the front, but you have fresh water up here to take care of any sand they might be bringing on the boat. And this, I cannot stress enough, is in stunning condition for a 2014. I'm Jeremiah. This is MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida, and we are absolutely excited to give you this really pretty 2014 Sea Ray 220 Sundeck Outboard. If you want to see more information, more content from us, or more boat models, grab the link in the bottom of the screen, like and subscribe. I'm Jeremiah. We'll see you soon.